Hi again, young scientists, ready for another exciting adventure in our world of science? Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of liquids. Liquids are an essential part of our daily lives and make up a significant part of our planet, from the water in oceans and rivers to the milk in your breakfast cereal. First, let's remember what matter is. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. We have already explored the solid state of matter. Now let's focus on liquids, which are all around us in various forms. So, what exactly is a liquid? Liquids are a state of matter where the particles, those tiny atoms and molecules, are less tightly packed than in solids. They are not held in a fixed shape. This means liquids can flow and take the shape of their container. Whether it's in a glass, a bottle, or a bathtub, liquids change shape to fit where they are. One of the most interesting properties of liquids is their viscosity. Viscosity is a measure of how much resistance a liquid has to flow. Some liquids, like honey or lava, are very thick and flow slowly. They have high viscosity. Others, like water and vinegar, are thin and flow quickly. They have low viscosity. Another cool thing about liquids is surface tension. It's like an invisible elastic skin on the surface of liquids. This is because the particles at the surface are attracted to each other and to the particles beneath them. It's what allows some insects to skitter across the surface of a pond and why water forms beads on a waxed car. Let's try a fun activity. Take a bowl of water and gently sprinkle some pepper on the surface. Now, dip a toothpick in dish soap and touch the surface of the water with it. Watch how the pepper scurries away. This happens because the soap reduces the water's surface tension. Liquids also play a big role in how things mix. Have you noticed how sugar dissolves in water, or how oil and water don't mix well? This is all about how the particles in liquids interact with other substances. Temperature changes can transform liquids into other states of matter. When liquids get really cold, they can freeze and become solids. Think of water turning into ice. When heated, they can evaporate and become gases, like boiling water turning into steam. Understanding liquids helps us appreciate the world around us, from knowing why we need to drink water to understanding how plants absorb moisture from the soil. We hope you loved learning about the incredible world of liquids. If you're curious to learn more and join us on more scientific adventures, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. We're excited to explore more amazing science concepts with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more fun and learning.